Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the really pretty Riviera West Village. It's the Riviera West Village. We've already seen their living room and kitchen of this beautiful, huge 2-bedroom. But now, hey, let's walk into the bedrooms themselves. So let's start with bedroom number 1. This is a really big, beautiful bedroom and bathroom combination. So you can see the bathrooms here. It's really, really nice. It's got a lot of space in here. It does have a walk-in shower. That's super cute. And then it's got a separate tub. And then, hey, it's got some good storage in here too. Let me see if I can get the light on in here. Okay, that's what it looks like. Super nice. Lots of cute storage in here. Okay, super, super cool. That's bedroom. That's bathroom number 1. Inside the bedroom itself, you've got a lot of big bedroom. Wow, this is very, very big. Let me see if I can get a little bit of light on here too. I think that's kind of it on the light. Oh, okay, there's the light. Yes, it's the light switch. And really pretty. You could do definitely a king bed in here. You've got a lot of space to work with. It's got this really pretty luxe vinyl. And then again, this is looking out over the patio. Really love that. This is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is over here. So let's look at that real quick. See if we can get into here. Okay, it's got that. And all right, let's see if we can get, okay, there's the light in there. All right, that looks really, really good in there. Now this is a little smaller in here. So this would give me more like maybe a queen bed. There's the closet there too. So there's the queen bed that's there. And then this is the bathroom that goes with this. This would be the guest bathroom as well. So this is what it looks like over here. It's really, really cute. What I love is it's just got some unusual features, unusual pricing. And oh yeah, the pricing itself is great. For the West Village area, you can usually get a 2-bedroom here 10 to 20% less than most other apartments. So it's a great way to kind of be on a budget, but still be in the best area of town at the West Village here in Uptown Dallas. Hey, send me a text if you'd like to get a personal tour of this really pretty area, the Riviera West Village, and a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom. I'll take care of that personal tour for you on a Zoom call probably, or I'll ask the staff actually to do it, and it'll be 100% free. So I look forward to hearing from you soon. Send me a text right now.